Alright, check this out. Look how large it is, alright, and how compact it is. This is an actual tent, alright, from VEVOR. Open it up. You get the spikes in here. The rods. Instructions. And the spikes. Alright, let's go ahead and start. Alright, let's take it apart. First thing, get the actual hooks on top. I got it flat to a point. I'm ready to put these in here. So you see these points, I'm going to tie them up after. But you got to get from D to A. You ready to go? It took me a while, but here it is. I kind of figure it out now. So simple. Hope you guys enjoy the video.